It's crazy. We're gonna run out of time here. We got songs to play. But I just wanted to say that when I was a kid and I was like jumping around on the couch, air guitaring to like Aerosmith records and shit, in my mind, envisioning what would be like the best possible case scenario for my life was kind of exactly this. So thank you so much for listening and caring. Eat the ranch, there's only one thing to do good for. This song is about eating the rich. We are young, we have years ahead, maybe we might fall in love, fall apart, fall apart. Before it ends, well, we should try to start. So I'll go, but I'm telling you I don't wanna go. Could be stuck here and happy. There's a puzzle I work on endlessly, and I've got the sides and all the corners, but there's a space. Yeah, there's a space. Lost some pieces I can't replace. So I'll be